Welcome to this explainer. Listen, today we're going to completely transform how you interact with your high-tech Samsung or DAC induction cooktop. We're taking that intimidating, super thick instruction manual and basically distilling it into your ultimate empowering kitchen assistant. Seriously, whether you're just boiling water for a quick Tuesday night pasta or going all out with a multi-course feast, understanding the actual tech beneath that glass is an absolute game changer. It's going to completely revolutionize your cooking experience.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. We've got 5 main stops. First, crucial safety and setup. 2, choosing the right cookware. 3, mastering smart cooking features. 4, decoding cooktop error codes. And finally, number 5, glass care and maintenance. Let's get right into it.
Kicking things off with Section 1, Crucial Safety and Setup.
Before we even think about cooking, we've got to talk about safety. Why? Well, electromagnetic induction is incredibly powerful technology. See, it works by generating a magnetic field to heat your pans directly. Because of this, and this is absolutely crucial, anyone with a pacemaker must maintain a strict 1 foot or 30 centimeter distance from any active cooking zones. If you do have an active heart implant, it's highly recommended you consult your doctor or the device manufacturer just to be completely on the safe side.
Also, you know these modern cooktops are totally decked out with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for smart home integration, right? Well, for general signal safety, you really need to ensure you're keeping at least an 8-inch distance from those smart connectivity sensors while you're cooking. Honestly, it's a super simple habit to form. Just be mindful not to lean too far over the control panel while the appliance is running.
Now, I know what you're thinking, more rules, but listen, these aren't just your standard, boring warnings. These are genuine pro tips to guarantee a long, happy life for your appliance. For instance, using the glass as a cutting board? No way. That causes scratches that actually weaken the structural integrity. Heating an empty pan? That'll cause the internal sensors to rapidly overheat, and storing heavy stuff right above the cooktop? That's practically a recipe for a shattered glass surface if something slips out of your hand. Oh, and of course, leaving frying foods unattended can literally escalate into a grease fire in seconds, so definitely stick close by.
Moving right along to Section 2, choosing the right cookware.
Okay, so picking the perfect pots and pans is really where the magic happens. Think about it. With induction, the pan itself actually becomes the heat source. It doesn't just heat the glass beneath the pan, it's heating the pan directly using those magnetic fields, which means you need to figure out pretty quick if your current cookware collection is actually up to the task or, well, if you've got an excuse to go shopping.
The good news, it is incredibly simple to check your gear right at home. All you need is a standard fridge magnet. Seriously, that's it. Just stick it to the bottom. Materials like cast iron and enameled steel, they're going to pass this test with flying colors. But if you're working with pure aluminum, copper, brass, or glass, they simply won't react to the magnetic field. They'll completely fail to heat up on your new cooktop.
But hey, the material is really only half the battle here. Your cookware absolutely must rest completely flat on the surface. So if you've got this favorite, perfectly seasoned old pan, but it has a warped, bowed, or curved bottom, the cooktop's auto pan detection sensors simply won't detect it, and it won't heat up. You really need maximum surface contact to get that efficient, perfectly even cooking.
Which brings us to Section 3, Mastering Smart Cooking Features.
All right, now for the really fun part, execution. This is where we dive into those futuristic features that'll seriously elevate your everyday cooking from a totally mundane chore to an absolute joy. First up, say goodbye to being restricted by those little painted circles on your stove. The Flex Zone actually lets you merge cooking zones into one massive, unified area. So imagine you're cooking a huge Sunday breakfast for the family and you want to use a giant rectangular griddle for pancakes and bacon. The Flex Zone adapts perfectly to that oversized cookware. It's a total game changer.
Now, one of the biggest adjustments when you switch to induction cooking is actually the lack of visual feedback, right? The glass doesn't glow bright red like those old-school traditional electric stoves. But check this out. Samsung's virtual flame technology actually projects LED lighting directly onto the bottom edge of your cookware. It gives you the super intuitive visual feedback of a real gas flame, but you still get the unmatched safety and precision of induction. It's honestly just a brilliantly clever design. And you've got to think of that beautiful 7-inch touch panel as your own personal sous chef. I mean, it offers guided cooking that literally walks you through recipes step by step right there on the glass. There's a power boost function that delivers maximum energy so you can boil massive pots of water in just a fraction of the usual time. Or let's say the doorbell rings unexpectedly. Just hit pause and go and instantly drops all your active zones to a totally safe low simmer. Plus, you get main and zone-specific timers, which pretty much guarantees you'll never overcook a delicate sauce again. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip for you. If you ever walk up to your cooktop, touch the panel, and find it completely unresponsive, and you see a little lock icon glowing at you, do not panic. You haven't broken the whole thing, I promise. It's literally just the child lock. All you need is this simple 3-second trick. Just press and hold the power button for exactly 3 seconds, and boom. That safety feature deactivates and you're right back in business.
Next up is Section 4, Decoding Cooktop Error Codes.
Let's be real, even master chefs run into technical snags sometimes. But if your appliance screen suddenly starts flashing random letters and numbers, really? Don't sweat it. Most digital hiccups on these cooktops can be fixed in literally seconds. Take the D0 code, super common. It usually just means some water or food debris is resting on the touch panel, tricking the sensors into thinking a button is stuck down. Just give it a quick wipe. For those C and F codes, a quick 30-second power cycle at your home circuit breaker will usually clear the whole system right up. And if you spot an underline view, well, that just means your pan either isn't magnetic or it's the wrong size for that specific burner. Easy fixes, right?
Finally, we've arrived at Section 5, Glass Care and Maintenance.
So we're finishing our culinary masterclass with everyone's favorite topic, cleanup. That smooth glass ceramic surface is absolutely stunning, but it does require some specific care to make sure it stays looking flawless for years. First rule, before you even think about wiping it down, check that residual heat indicator on the appliance screen to make sure the glass has actually cooled off. When you're ready to clean, just use a damp, soft cloth. Seriously, keep abrasive materials like steel wool or heavy scouring pads far away. They will permanently scratch the surface and can literally ruin those printed burner zones. And avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia too, because they can actually discolor the glass. Honestly, gentle, consistent, daily wiping is your absolute best defense here.
But okay, what happens when that giant starchy pot of pasta completely boils over and bakes right onto the surface? Again, don't panic, and definitely do not start aggressively scrubbing. Just make sure the cooktop is totally cool, and then grab a simple single-edge razor scraper. If you approach that burnt-on mess gently at about a 30-degree angle and scrape in a single direction, it'll safely lift all that debris right off without gouging the glass. It works like a charm.
Now, here is a crucial point, and I honestly cannot stress this enough. If you accidentally drop a heavy mug or something and crack that cooktop, you must stop cooking immediately. I mean it. It is not just a cosmetic issue. Even a microscopic, barely visible hairline fracture can allow liquid from your cooking to seep straight down into those high-voltage electromagnetic coils below. That creates a very serious electric shock and short-circuit hazard. Just don't risk it.
So, if you do suffer a crack, or if those error codes we talked about earlier absolutely refuse to go away, even after a hard power cycle, never try to open up the chassis and fix it yourself. As the manuals make crystal clear, there is highly dangerous voltage inside these units. Always reach out to the official customer service team for your brand, whether that's Samsung or Decor, to have a qualified, trained technician come out and safely repair or replace the panel for you.
Well, there you have it. Mastering the tools in your kitchen is basically the first and arguably most important step to mastering the cuisine itself. By fully understanding how to safely operate, properly equip, and beautifully maintain your new smart cooktop, you are completely prepared to just unleash your culinary creativity. The only real question left is, with all this incredible tech at your fingertips, what are you going to cook first? Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and happy cooking!